Hi, my name is John. Today we're going to show you how we build really big gate valves, and we mean really big. Today we're going to install gate wheels, axles, cam over wheels, all for the giant valve that sits behind me. We're also going to install the hose that goes to the gate that is also water cooled along with the gate frame assembly. A shield that goes inside the valve attached to the front of this. That is to keep out any form of contaminants that might get into the valve. It's more of like a dust shield, and it will move everything back into the chamber or the void that this thing covers. So when this thing decams and goes back into the body, there's a rear shield and a front shield. The front shield's gonna go up here, and it gets bolted on with some 7/8 bolts. And I'm gonna put that on now to show you what this thing here is. It is kind of heavy, but not too bad. So we're gonna pop these in. And this will sit up here and clear everything so that when the valve does open, it'll keep everything out. Is the giant steel braided hose that they use for running water or any other high freezing temperature coolant that can keep this gate and assembly as cool as possible so it doesn't lock up. Also, everything here is made for expansion, so there's play on most of these here so that when it does get hot, it can expand and not mess up any of their actuations or their processes. And the valve itself, fully completed, is roughly 35,000 pounds of steel. And it is a heavy, heavy monster. And for all your big gate valve needs, call GMB. We can make it. I've seen us do it.